Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, for the first you have to open the main menu and right now go for the Samsung recorder and you will find it right here. Click on the voice recorder, click allow when you are using it or for the first time, and right now tap on this button to activate. And as you can see right now our smartphone is record voices. So if you want to finish, just click here. And right now we can rename your record and also set the category and click save. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.